students, today's video lecture is chapter 8 trigonometry, and for the trigonometry today I will start with basic concepts. In this chapter there will be some trigonometric functions like sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x, sec x and cot x. There are only 6 trigonometric functions and it is also known as trigonometric ratios. When we are going to solve the problems like height and distance, suppose that there is a pole and which has a something height and which is located away from us for a few distance, so we can say that there is a ratio height of the pole and distance between pole and us. Then if we are going to solve this type of problem, then we have to need to know the trigonometric ratios like sin x, cos x, tan x, like this. So first, suppose that we are going to start the trigonometric ratios. So first I am writing here trigonometric ratios. What is the trigonometric ratios? And this type, there are 6 types of trigonometric ratios. First, sin x. Second, cos x. Third, tan x. And cosec x, sec x, and last one is cot x. So there are only 6 trigonometric ratios like this. 5 we have to study these trigonometric ratios. Then to clear this question, I am taking an example like there is a triangle which is the right triangle. Okay, right triangle means one angle of this triangle should be 90 degree. So suppose that there is a triangle A B C. Now in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree and there is the base of this triangle and the height of this triangle is known as the perpendicular. Okay, so I am writing here, this is the perpendicular, that means AB is the perpendicular and BC is known as base. BC is known as base of this triangle, and also AC that is equal to hypotenuse of this triangle. So perpendicular will be represented by a single letter P and base will be denoted as B and hypotenuse as H. Okay, so if I am taking here an angle theta, then if we want to calculate the value of this angle, that is the theta, then there should be some trigonometric ratios like sin x, that will be equal to, this is the perpendicular and this is base and last one side is hypotenuse. So the ratio of sin x, that means there is a trigonometric ratio and we are going to take here angle theta, so we have to write it as, suppose that sin theta. So sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse and last one is tan theta, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay, सो यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएंगे few trigonometric ratios and you can write in this form. We have to know next three trigonometric ratios, that is cosec theta. It will be just inverse of sin theta. Then we can say cosec theta, that is equal to 1 upon sin theta. And here next one is sec theta, that is equal to 1 upon cos theta. And last one is cot theta, that is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now if we want to write the ratio of cosec theta, then put the value of sin theta. 1 upon, in place of sin theta we can write here perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So write here perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So next one is sec theta, that is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. If we are placing here cosec theta equals to b by h, that means base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to hypotenuse upon base. But for the ratio of cot theta, we can write here 1 upon tan theta. Then we can write here perpendicular upon base. So write here 1 upon perpendicular upon base, that is equal to base upon perpendicular. So we can say here cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and sec theta equals to hypotenuse upon base, and last one is cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. So according to this concept, we can write the total trigonometric ratios, and there are only 6 trigonometric ratios which I have discussed here. Now we are going to solve the problems based on trigonometric ratio. For example, suppose that there is a triangle is given. This triangle ABC has an angle 90 degree at B. So, and we are taking here an angle theta. Then, if the value of base is 3 and the perpendicular is 4, then find the all trigonometric ratios. Find the value of all trigonometric ratios. Okay, so if we are going to solve this problem, then first we have to write sin theta. Then sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so write the value of perpendicular. What is the value of perpendicular? Is 4. So write here 4 upon hypotenuse. What is the value of hypotenuse? Because there is not given in the question. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle, hypotenuse equals to under root of base square plus perpendicular square. So you can say 3 3 is 9 plus 4 4 is 16. So overall this value equals to 9 plus 16 equals to 5. So the value of perpendicular is 5. Now write here the value of perpendicular is 5. Next one is cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Okay. What is the value of base? 3, and the value of hypotenuse is 5. Next one is tan theta, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay. So write here perpendicular is 4 and the hypotenuse and what is the value of base is 3. So tan theta equals to 4 by 3. Next one is cosec theta, that is equal to 1 upon sin theta. And put the value of 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta 4 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 4. Next one is sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta and equals to 1 upon, in place of cos theta we can put the value of cos theta 3 by 5. So write here 3 by 5, then it will be 5 by 3. Last one is cot theta, that is equal to 1 upon tan theta equals to 1 upon, in place of tan theta put the value 4 by 3 equals to 3 by 4. That is the answer. So if there is given a question like a triangle, and if there are two sides are given and third side you can find out by the Pythagoras theorem, and then we will go to solve the question on this type. So I am taking here next example, like there is a triangle ABC and there is an angle theta. Now for this hypotenuse and perpendicular we have to know and we have to address very clearly. Actually angle is taken here, and then in front of the angle this side will be known as perpendicular, and on which side the angle is based, that is the base. Okay, this is the perpendicular and now this is the base. Then next one side is hypotenuse. Okay, so suppose that we are taking here the value of perpendicular is 4 and the value of base is 3, then the hypotenuse will be 5. Now we can write here sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, now next one is cos theta equals to, if we are going to sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, but if we are going to cos theta then base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 3 by 4. Like this you can find out all these trigonometric ratios. So we are going to calculate another topic, and we will discuss another topics in next video lecture. So आज का वीडियो लेक्चर बस इतना ही. थैंक यू.